Hi everyone, Clissmall Designs here, and this is part 3 of the Tamiya 1/32 scale F4U-1D build. So as you can see, we have pretty much all the interior stuff that needs to go in, and I didn't want to close it up without showing you what we've done. As you can see right here, there's that oxygen bottle in the background there, the green thing. I think that's the right color. Let's see if I can focus here. Right, so this is all done. And then, of course, we have this side of the aircraft with the flare there, the pistol flare, some more instruments, and the tail wheel and arresting hook assembly inside. Now, you're not going to see a lot of this detail, obviously. The cockpit you will, but this here you're not really going to see unless you're looking underneath and touching the model. But you know what? It's there. And it's good to do in case you're ever doing a diorama or something where you're opening the aircraft up. At least you know you have all that detail available to you, right? So it's definitely coming along, and it fits like a glove. Like the cockpit piece, it just slips right in beautifully. I really like Tamiya models. So I am going to do this with the wheels down. I'm starting to work on the tail pieces right here. And I'm going to have the flaps down. It's on its wheels, wings extended, that kind of thing. And I think that'll look pretty decent. There's the engine, which we've seen. So that's coming along. But anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video just to show you all the detail since the last video. And I didn't want to do a video after it was all closed up. Otherwise, you won't be able to see it. So yeah, it's a lot of fun, this one. I really enjoy it. There's some more pieces. I'm just doing test fitting and stuff, right, with all this and finding out what you're going to see, what you're not going to see, that kind of thing as it goes together. But yeah, I have a P-51 Mustang that I want to do. I have a Zero I want to do. I have a Hellcat that's not Tamiya, but I'm going to give that a shot from Trumpeter. But so far, so good. So the next video you see, it'll probably be all this, the two halves will be all closed up and maybe even painted. I think the goal is to try and get as much pieces on and then paint it, other than trying to do it separately, but we'll see how that goes. Definitely pay attention to the steps of your model kit. So what I mean is, because this has many options of on the stand, wings folded, you know, wings unfolded, that kind of thing, I decided to start marking. That's the engines here. So like this step right here, I made sure I put an X, right? Because I have the cowlings open, so I don't want to do that, right? And same with right here. If you want to have any moving surfaces in the up position, then you know you'll go with that. But I'm going with them, you know, slightly down. So I just made sure I made an X, right? And then of course, as you get further in, you have the option of the wings extended and things like that, right? So once you get to this step, stay with that step, that kind of thing. So just something to pay attention to. I'm sure you guys will be just fine. But anyway, it's just a quick video just showing you where we're at with this. So part 4 will probably be a little bit longer. But anyway, please like, share, and subscribe, and let me know what you think. Bye.